Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
Good evening, wherever you're watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiola, today also known as Babewinje. And if today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hours I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 07037 422552. You message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use 16 pieces of cloves. You understand? If you believe that people just eat you for no reason, or you are looking for luck, you want to use to attract good luck, maybe in your working place, you are in the company where you need to be promoted, but they are given to someone that is maybe your junior. You understand? How you believe that someone is using your glory, so you can use this clove to get it back by the grace of Almighty God. So the second one I want to explain is how to use it to attract men if you are looking for husband, or to attract women if you are looking for wife. You understand? There are many ways to use clove. There are many ways to use clove, but this one I want you to try it, and by the grace of Almighty God, surely share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. So the materials you need is 16 pieces of cloves. 16 pieces. You need 16, right? 16. And if you want to use clove for this assignment, please make sure you use a clove with this round thing on top, just like this. You need it. If you want to use, if you want to count it, you know, when they sell it for you, they sell it together. If this thing is not there, please don't use it, right? Don't use it. So you need 16 pieces of this. The first one, to attract luck, you need 16 pieces of this. So this 16 pieces, don't crush it, don't powder it, right? Just put it in the water and you keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, it will be 4 days. You understand? So after that 3 days, now use it. You can use to wipe your face. You use the water to wipe your face, like you are using it to wash your face, or you use it, you add it to your bath water and use to bathe always, most especially in the morning or in the night. You understand? So that is the first one. That one, it will attract luck, good luck by the grace of Almighty God. It will attract good luck by the grace of Almighty God. So the second one, you need the same 16 seed of pieces of clove. In Yoruba language, you call this kanafuru. You need 16 pieces. You powder it very well. Then you add it to a pave of your choice. You can use any pave that you can open. It's not that all those gas pave that when you open it, everything will just go like that. No, you can use any pave that you can open, and you put this 16. You powder it. You put it in that pave. You keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, that will be 4 days. You now use, after you beat, now apply that pave. You apply it. That it will attract. If you are looking for women, it attracts women. If you are looking for men, it will also attract men. You understand? If you are looking for husband or you are looking for wife, it's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my instruction. This instruction is very, very important. I want you to follow it. You understand? It's very simple. So if you have any question to ask me, please you can contact me on the 070-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So that is how to do it and that is how to use it. Thank you very much. Èyí tí a bá wa sọ ní ìní bí a ṣe ń lo kànáfùrù tí a máa fi tí wọ́n bá sọ pé good luck or attract luck. Tí èèyàn bá wà ní bóyá bí ipò kan bóyá company kan ni tí wọ́n gbé promotion forí èèyàn tàbí nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n fún èèyàn ó ń forí èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tí a bá wá clove yẹn tá a bá wá clove tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yìí tá a bá wá 16 òun náà ni a need 16. Ṣé wá rí 16 yìí á wà dà sínú omi bóyá bí 1 litre á fi síbẹ̀ fún bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ kẹta ó máa tó ọjọ́ kẹrin bẹ́yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi ṣan ojú wa láràárọ̀ tàbí ká máa dà sínú omi tó bá tó wá wẹ̀ ká máa fi wẹ̀. Àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ṣé rí 16 clove náà tá a bá ti rí ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ kó di powder tó bá ti kúnná dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sínú lọ́fíńdà. A lè ra bóyá stop ìfòpẹ̀ fún irú lọ́fíńdà báyìí tàbí lọ́fíńdà tí ó bá yàtọ̀ sí bóyá bí Holy Michael or Saint Michael or àwọn lọ́fíńdà tá a bá lè lò tí ó jẹ́ pé kò sí èyí tá a máa ṣí tí gáàsì ẹ̀ máa lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dà sí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́ fún ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ kẹta ọjọ́ kẹrin ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi pa ojú tá a bá ti wẹ̀ tán. Fún ọkùnrin tó bá ń wá ìyàwó tàbí obìnrin tó bá ń wá ọkọ ẹ jẹ́ ká lò bẹ́ẹ̀. Lágbára Ọlọ́run á rí sí ayọ̀ ń bẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ rí èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè. Ìta mú wá fún wa lénìí tó bá wà nù nǹkan tẹ́ ń wá tẹ̀lẹ̀ tí rí ẹ dákun ẹ gbìyànjú ẹ bá like fídíò yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wọ́n like fídíò yìí àbúrò ní like yín o, àdánù ní like yín, òṣù ní like yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run tọmọtọmọ tayátayá tẹbítẹbí taratara. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lò jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́.